Hello, this is Tech Tips with Stoneman. Today we're going to take a look on how to quickly find saved passwords in your Safari web browser on macOS. I'm currently running macOS 10.15 Catalina. This should work in previous versions of this as well. And this is a fairly simple process. So all we've got to do is inside Safari, we're going to click on Safari and we're going to go down to Preferences. Once we go in Preferences, we have a couple different ones. What we're looking for is passwords. And you need to enter your computer or your administrator password to reveal what your saved passwords are in Safari. So I'm going to do that real quick. And here we go. These are all my saved passwords. You can click on them and it'll reveal the password. You can copy and paste. You can also search for them. This is a fairly simple process. The other thing is, real quick, you see you've got some fields that say never saved. These will be websites that prompt you to save the password, and you said do not. This is Stoneman, Tech Tips with Stoneman. I hope this makes sense and helps you out. Thank you. Goodbye.